Hi, it's Brad. So, unfortunately, I locked and shut the garage door before I realized that I was going to do the video. This is a new job that we finished, and what we did is we took the existing garage where it ended up to be right there and added 12 feet out and 24 feet back. So, what we did is we basically extended the garage, craft room, a place to park the lawnmower, that whole thing. Get it back here. And put a dry well in for additional runoff. And that's where the old part of the house, old part of the garage ended up. So not really a whole lot of detail. Hold on. Or much to look at. Just a job we finished here recently.